big Seagull. He's gonna have a good meal there, boy. He's like, I'm gonna hang out here. There's more around. Yep, he just found that. Yep, he found that big piece.
That's the one I threw in.
And he's like, I don't even know what to do with this. I never found a big piece of squid like this.
Probably leave some for the crabs or something.
That's just such a waste of money. Ugh. Okay, let me know when you're ready, or almost ready, and I'll start up the truck. Yep.